Let's delve into an essential component of risk management. Here's your question. Imagine you're steering a company through a dynamic market. You've identified potential risks that could impact your objectives. What would be your initial step? A company is implementing a new risk management framework. Which of the following best describes its primary goal? Listen to the options and give the correct answer. A. To eliminate all risks. B. To completely prevent all security incidents. C. To identify, assess, and mitigate risks to an acceptable level. D. To ensure the company meets all regulatory requirements without considering business impact. The correct answer is C. To identify, assess, and mitigate risks to an acceptable level. This is the core purpose of any risk framework, a systematic process to understand and reduce risk to a point the business can tolerate. It's not possible to eliminate all risk or prevent every incident, which makes A and B incorrect. While regulation is important, a good framework balances it with overall business objectives, making D incorrect as well. Question number 2. An organization may use which approach to improve compliance with data sovereignty regulations in a multi-cloud strategy? Listen to the options and give the correct answer. A. Centralizing all data in a single region regardless of user location. B. Ignoring data sovereignty regulations as they are too complex to implement. C. Storing data only in regions that meet the legal requirements of all users. D. Employing a multi-region strategy, storing data in regions compliant with relevant regulations. The correct answer is D. This strategy directly addresses compliance by deliberately placing data in geographic locations that satisfy specific local laws. Storing everything in one region likely violates laws for users elsewhere, making A wrong. Ignoring regulations, option B, is not a strategy but a major risk. Option C is impractical, as it's often impossible to find one region that satisfies every global user's requirements. Question number 3. An organization is evaluating cloud providers for its sensitive financial data. Which factor is least important when considering risk mitigation? Listen to the options and give the correct answer. A. The provider's track record of security incidents and compliance certifications. B. The availability of robust data encryption and access control mechanisms. C. The cost-effectiveness of the cloud provider's services and pricing model. D. The provider's ability to meet stringent data residency requirements. A correct answer is C. Cost-effectiveness. While cost is a business factor, security and compliance are the primary concerns for mitigating risk with sensitive data. A, B, and D all directly address the security and legal protections for the data, making them far more important in this specific context than the price. To test your knowledge with more scenario-based quiz questions for your security certification, visit www.sectutor.com.